Monroe, the world-leading manufacturer of shock absorbers, has recently enlarged its range, unveiling the new Monroe Magnum models specially designed for the European truck and trailer market. To test the new shock absorber on the road, the US multinational Tenneco Automotive, owner of the Monroe brand name, has ordered a series of scientific tests to be carried out by TÜV, the German organization which specializes in research into road safety. The following tests were performed on the DAF truck in Eindhoven, Holland. Braking tests on straight sections of the track, emergency braking test on a straight section of the track with sharp steering, and braking tests on a bend. Finally, on a 100-meter diameter circular track, tests were carried out to measure the maximum speed that the vehicle could reach without going out of lane. The vehicle used was a 40-ton DAF 95X with a 12-meter-long trailer with hoop frame, which was fitted first with shock absorbers with 50% reduced efficiency and then with new Monroe Magnum shock absorbers. All the tests were carried out on an uneven road surface, both wet and dry, and with fully loaded and empty trailer, at an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. In the braking test on a straight section of the track in dry conditions, the shock absorbers with 50% reduced efficiency cause a 19.6 increase in the braking distance, or 4.5 meters. In the braking test with avoidance lane change conducted on a wet surface, the onboard instruments detected an extension of the braking distance which amounted to 13.5% or 3.3 meters. Poor shock absorber functioning causes dazzling for other road users and increased stress levels for the driver, and can negatively affect his capacity to react. Furthermore, it blocks the functioning of the ABS and ESP, sophisticated and expensive electronic safety systems, which are inexorably put out of work. Finally, in the test carried out on the circular track in dry conditions and with 50% reduced efficiency shock absorbers, the driver had to reduce the speed of the vehicle by 12.2%, from 39.5 kilometers per hour to 34.7 kilometers per hour, in order to avoid going off the track. In braking on the bend in dry conditions test, the braking distance increased by 28.3%, equal to 3 meters. Poor shock absorber functioning leads to premature tire wear and an increase in the braking distance. It weakens the vehicle's hold on the road and can trigger aquaplaning even at low speeds. The TÜV engineers asked a professional truck driver to perform a few test circuits in order to find out directly what had been his impressions while driving.
Ich bin hier auf dieser Strecke gefahren und ich musste also unheimliche Lenkkräfte aufbringen, um das Fahrzeug auf der Strecke zu halten. Und was ich also noch gemerkt habe, ist, dass also sehr viele Stöße übers Fahrwerk in die Kabine übertragen worden sind.
What clearly emerged at the end of a week of tests was that the active safety of these giants of the road is reduced considerably by the presence of inefficient shock absorbers. Frequent visual checks of the tyre wear and accurate inspections of shock absorbers at each maintenance are the main measures needed to longer keep your vehicle operational, minimize its operating cost, and increase safety on Europe's roads. Monroe Magnum, to keep your truck on the road.